Run your gutters away from the house.
In this modification, we used one flex pipe, one strap, one elbow, and one water router. Thanks to all of our subscribers, and thanks for watching. On this corner of the house, this gutter was running straight down and ended right here. And you can see how the water was just going in here, rinsing out dirt, freezing, thawing out, and just washing that out, washing out the support for the porch there. And then on this side, this gutter was held on right here by a piece of string, and then it was just running down right to the corner of the house. So I'm just gonna secure this and route this out away from the house some. So now this top piece is secure to the house, and the bottom piece doesn't look terrible anymore, and it has a little water router at the bottom to get the water away from the foundation. Thanks to all of our subscribers, and stick